Welcome back, Nail Queens. So today I have the Manicure Roulette selection box. So this is their festive holiday Christmassy 2023 box, and I can't wait to show you guys what's in this. It is absolutely beautiful. So in this year's pack, there is going to be 3 packs, and then there's going to be a Secret Santa mystery product with a collector's card. So in this pack, you can probably see here, there is the 2022 Festive Vibes. It is their first edition expansion pack. This was last year's Christmassy wintry pack. Then they're putting in this year's 2023. This is the second edition of the Festive Vibes pack. So you got last year's and this year's all in this bundle. This is great for anybody who didn't purchase last year's, or if you want to gift last year's pack to a friend and you already have last year's and you don't want to end up with 2, that's another thing. You can gift it to another nail tech friend or something. Then we have the first edition Metallics color palette expansion pack in the earth tones. That one is beautiful. And then there's the Secret Santa mystery product collector's card 3. So I'm going to open this up and show you what's in this year's pack. So let's start out. We have this beautiful foiling all over this pack. I keep all of the packaging that the boxes come in. So I know they had a summary, like a summary launch that came in a pack like this, but it was a different theme. It was about traveling and everything. Then they had their autumn their autumn edit. That one was really fun and beautiful. And then now this is their Christmassy one. You can see there's acorns and pines and like all these different wintry types of greenery, and although that's typically brown, like any of like the floral and shrubbery that is featured in wintertime, that's what they have here in this beautiful like chocolatey foil finish. I adore that. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. So let's go ahead and just open it up. It comes with a little Velcro snap here, so you can close it up and pack everything away when you're done and have it all in its own pack. I don't know if I should open this one. It says don't open till December 25th. I'm like, do I want to wait? I don't know. All right, so this is last year's deck, the Festive Vibes 2022 deck. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the foiling. This is the promo print that came in last year's 2022 Festive Edition. I love these promo prints. If you want to, you can totally frame these. Now that my nail room is more up to par on what I like, I plan on taking all these out, framing them, and hanging them on my wall somewhere. I have plenty of space above me. I can't wait to start actually making my office look more happy. Manicure Roulette is a card game to help you pick out nail designs and nail ideas and help you just get out of that creative rut. So most of their decks, not all of them, but most of their decks come with art themes and color palettes. The art theme cards in the 2022 edition. So we've got bells and baubles, candy canes, cable knit, Christmas trees, mistletoe. So I love the clementines. I really need to do a clementine design this year. Elf, figgy pudding, festive lights, holly, pine cones and evergreens, ribbons, bows, Santa, snowmen. Like I literally have stamping plate designs for all of these. And I love that foiling. Like, isn't that so cool? It's such a luxury product. I love it. And then let me show you the color palette that was in last year's. Look at that. I just love seeing the sheen. So you got purple sapphire. So sapphire is typically a blue, but so you know, it's purple sapphire. So if you want to go with purple or blurple, that'll work. Ruby. Oh yes. Emerald. Isn't that stunning? Berry surprise, eggnog. Ooh, yes, I have some gel colors that look like the eggnog color. Gingerbread, I have the most perfect gingerbread design that I did last year. Decadent greens, ice queen, mulled wine, and burgundy. It's absolutely beautiful, as you just saw. And it comes with this art promo print that you can put in your salon or your nail room in case you don't have a salon. It's a really cool way to advertise that you have that deck. And then I want to show you the 2023 Festive Vibes add-in pack. So this one is a second edition because this is technically the first edition. See, Festive Vibes first edition, Festive Vibes second edition. And you're probably wondering, why is this one so much smaller than that one? Well, this one's in an add-in pack. So what you can do is take that first pack and shuffle these cards into it if you wanted to, or keep them separately, whatever you want, but you can add these in. So it's like, add to your Manicure Roulette Festive Vibes first edition expansion pack and grow your art theme and color palette decks with the seasonal add-in pack. So it's not like a full entire game, but it's things that you can add into it. So let's see what the add-in pack has for color palettes. Vintage, oh yes, yep, that did it for me. I'm already in love. Vintage Christmas, Scandy, I love those colors. Fairy Sea, that's a riddle for me. And then Evergreen, oh, yes, I love Evergreen. So these are add-in colors that I can add into my 2021 deck, and I definitely plan to do that. And then here are some of the art themes. The art themes are my absolute favorite. Oh yes, oh whoa, talk about fancy. They like laminated the foiling on this. Look at that. You don't see that on the other cards. This one's more laminated. Whoa, that is so cool. I actually really appreciate that. Nutcracker. Oh, that's so cute. Poinsettia. Gnome. I love little gnomes. I actually have a plate that I want to buy from a company that has like Christmassy gnomes. Gingerbread and gift wrapped. I love this. Okay, these are great expansion cards for the 2022 add-in. They also came out with the metallics in the earth tone. They have several other metallic ones as well, and this kind of tells you what the metallics are for the earthy tones, but it's not the same as the previous ones because this one is more earthy tone. I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory, but I just love that they expand. Oh my gosh, look at that lamination. Okay, so this one has copper. I love that because copper is definitely an earthy tone. Then you have steel gray. That's great because like graphite comes from the earth. So I love that they have steel gray in here. Then cobalt. Oh, I just love this blue. I have a chrome that looks like this, like literally like that color when it hits the light. Bronze. Yes, so those are a little bit different. One is more yellow and the other one's more brown. So you can see the difference. And then rust. Oh yes, I love a good rust color. It's like almost like a reddish orange. Oh, it's so beautiful. So I definitely love this expansion on the metallics pack. The other ones, yes, they are absolutely beautiful, but this is a really cool way to expand on the metallics pack. Now we're moving on to the final item, and this one I've been like going back and forth on whether I wanted to wait till Christmas to open it, but I feel like I'm going to open it here on camera for you guys. For anyone who is wanting to purchase this entire pack from Manicure Roulette, at least you'll know what's in here. However, if you have this and you don't want to see this, you don't want to see what's in here until Christmas time, I know a lot of people are waiting, then you might want to just click out of the video now so that you don't get this spoiled for you. But if you do want this to be spoiled for you, come unbox this with me because we're about to go open this up and look, oh, that was so pretty. All right, this is your last chance. Turn around now if you don't want to see this. The secret item. Alright, so first thing, it says, Merry Christmas, lovey. You focus on others all year round. The time for yourself is rarely found. A 3 collector's card is guaranteed. Trust the rest to be something you need. Be your own secret Santa this year and help your wants and dreams to appear. This may be something you least expect, but trust us when we say this is a special deck. This is so special. Okay, so, oh, I already love how special this is. Okay. Oh my gosh, I don't know what this is, but hold on. I'm going to first off open the collector's card. This is their 3rd collector's card, and they only released the collector's card in the big packs. So you know how you saw this thing? They came out the spring one, or the summer one, the fall one, and now this Christmassy one. So this is the 3rd collector's card. So let's open this up and reveal what came in. Oh my goodness. And they have all been mystical creatures, so I love that it's like mystical creatures they're doing. Oh, wow. Oh, I feel like this could be like a really good Harry Potter theme because of the Phoenix in the movies. Okay, that's beautiful. Okay, so now we're getting into the Manicurist Edition Issue 1 called Manifest. I've never seen this. This deck is something a little different, designed to uplift, manifest, and affirm. Shuffle the cards, pick and display to attract joy, happiness, and success your way. This Manifest Manicurist Edition pack contains one deck of 12 larger size cards in total. 12 cards. This is a larger size. Let's see. Oh, these are huge. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is wonderful. Okay, so first off, I just love the branding on this deck. Look at those colors. This is beautiful. And they seem to be like inspiration cards with little quotes on them. And I love this. Oh my gosh. This is so sweet. Okay, I love this. This is so sweet and special. It's like affirmation cards. With every manicure, my skills grow more and more. With every investment comes success and growth. My creativity will guide my success. My creativity is needed in this world. I belong here. My creativity never fades. My business supports the lifestyle of my dreams. Loyal clients come to me in abundance. It's like, I've been telling my best friend, I'm like, I'm going to manifest that. I'm going to manifest it. If I say it, I'm going to manifest it. And I love that this says manifest on here because I have literally been saying things about my small business and just speaking them out into existence. And I'm like, I'm going to manifest it. And I've been telling my best friend that. And my dreams have been coming true. And it's, I mean, I'm not going to say that all our dreams come true. That would be fucking nice. But it's just really special to me that, like, when you speak something into existence that you want to happen and you actually put it out there and you intentionally do it, you manifest the life of your dreams. I create beautiful nails every day. I attract clients who help build and grow my business. I inhale creativity and exhale incredible nails. I love this one. I am the driver of my own dreams. I always find inner strength to carry on, and even when things get tough. I love this. This is so special. And I love it because it's like manifest. Manny. It's manicure, it's nail related. This is so special. This is truly like the thing I needed. And I love this. And I definitely plan on, I have a little station up there with my acrylic stand. Dr. Prince & Co. It's their Manicure Roulette acrylic stand, and it's quite large, honestly. So you can see the size of it. And you can literally put cards up here to display your decks. And I think that's what I'm going to be using this for. Honestly, so beautiful. And as somebody who's been talking about manifesting things, like if I say it, if I do it, I manifest it. I love this. I love this. This couldn't be more perfect. Okay, I know I was all over the place tonight, but I just want to say that bravo to Dr. Prince & Co. on your seasonal 2023 holiday deck. This expansion, like the festive add-in pack to the 2022 version, is perfect. Like, they go great together. I love the earthy tones metallics deck. They're beautiful colors, and they really just like tie into the other metallic decks that you have, but still they're uniquely different enough that they stand out and warrant having them. The Phoenix couldn't be more perfect, especially since I typically watch Harry Potter more around the Christmas time, more than any time at all. And so the Phoenix card really is a beautiful add-in card, and I definitely see myself using it. And this one touched my heart most of all, and I know not everyone's going to relate to this, but manifest really has been the word this year for me, and I've been saying it multiple times, so it's just incredibly special to me to have this deck in particular. Although you can't like necessarily like create nail art designs based on it or anything, it's impacted me the most. And yes, I do have tears going down my face. As many of you guys know, I have started my own press-on nail business last September, in September of 2022, and 2023 has really just brought so many blessings in relation to my business. I don't know where 2024 will go, but a lot of the cards that were in here and the word manifest are really related to my business this year. And I feel very fortunate and blessed to have the support system that I do, the customers that I do, and you guys that are all here supporting me every step of the way. I greatly appreciate it. And thank you, Dr. Prince & Co., for all of your support, your kindness, your kind words, and sharing my content. It means the world, and I cannot wait to work on holiday designs with these decks. If you guys want to grab this deck, it's going to be on the Manicure Roulette website. You can typically buy the decks individually. Some of them, like the collector's card, will be exclusive to the entire pack, this pack. But if you get the whole pack together, it is a discounted price. I know that shipping costs are a little steep to the USA because they are based in the UK. However, those are one of the things that we cannot control. Like if I wanted to ship something to the UK right now, it would cost just as much for me to ship from the US to the UK. But an investment like this is so worth it. If you have been considering getting the Manicure Roulette products, I highly recommend them. They brighten up my day. I love using them, and I've had so many opportunities to use these for customers' nails for my press-on nail business, and it's just the things that you can create with them are so inspiring. Like here's a deck that I did recently, like a card set that I did recently based on one of the decks. And I did a vintage pop art. I did another one that was peacock themed. That was a mystery one. So I did a chromey blue, water, and then peacock. Oh, this entire mani right here. These were all mystery ones. So it's this is what Manicure Roulette inspires me to do. I wouldn't come up with these designs on my own. They pick out the art themes, they pick out the colors for me. Like this one was Harry Potter themed. It told me the color to do, was that deep red. And it also told me to do an owl, and I was like, Harry Potter. I know exactly what I want to do. For example, this customer, she ordered a ready-to-wear set, and she said I got to choose the color, so I used the color palette on one of the decks to help decide what color to get, and it said Lilac Dreams. So I painted her ready-to-wear set in lilac color. Alright, I'm done babbling for now. I've been going on for probably 25 minutes, so thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Dr. Prince & Co. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate it, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye! So that's what you're going to get is this brand new, beautiful, just copper, so gorgeous. Oh, hi, Bane. Yeah. One of my cats just joined us. This beautiful copper packaging. It's so stunning. I don't want to